won't you meet me by the beam? Too early, maybe later, you could show me things. You know what it is whenever I...
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another hair review because I'm looking crazy. Now today we are going to install a wig. Super excited, and we are working with Julia's Hair today. So thank you to Julia's Hair for sending us this beautiful wig that we are going to look at right now. Open the box. We have the wig inside. We have some goodies. Wig band. Wig cap. And we have a bag to, of course, store our wig. Some free nails, another edge band, and more wig cap in this bag right here. So let's look at the wig. Let's see what we're working with. We have a adjustable band. Oh, look at these curls. Oh my god. So this is the this is in 20 inches, I believe. I love this. Look at that lace pre-bleach. They cut the lace. I love that. So this is an easy work, beginner friendly. So guess what? We will be doing a glueless install. The first thing before I go through, like guys, the curls are insane. We're gonna add the band to the wig. That's the first thing we're gonna do because we're gonna work with a glueless install, and I love this about a wig. So this is the adjustable band. We're gonna add it to the wig, and if you look in the wig, you put the adjustable band right here. One is on each side. I love all my wigs with a comb in the back, especially if you are doing a glueless install. This helps to secure the wig on your head so it doesn't slip backwards. The lace is wide enough. Yes. So let's put this on. This is how you do it. I'm going to use the top one. The band is on, and you can definitely adjust the band. There we go. All right. Let's start with the install. I won't braid my hair down because this works as well. It is flat. I like to put on my cap and then pull it back so everything is out the way. Let's try slipping this on. Oh my god, you see that? All we need to do is finesse these curls. I'm telling you, this is a no problem wig, beginner friendly. Anyone can put this on their head, and I had nothing to it, and look at that lace already. There's nothing added to it, and the lace is lacing. Okay, so I like it. It's 20 inches, and you guys know with curly hair it's a stretch length, so you have to stretch it to get the length. Guess what we're gonna do? We're gonna comb out this wig and wait for it to dry so we can get the beauty of the curls. I want it to be a little bit more puffed out, so I'm excited for this. We're gonna go in and let's just style the wig. All right, let's go on. I didn't tell you guys what wig it is. It's a 5x7 or 7x5 closure, and it's 20 inches in Kinky Curly. So it's a Kinky Curly wig. I kind of made it a little bit more snug, so I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna turn around and show you how snug this wig is on the head. Can you guys see? This is the wig. We also have a adjustable band that we can tighten. I didn't do that part, so that's very cutesy. Alright, so we have it like this. The only thing that I'll be doing is we are gonna add some mousse to this. Yeah. Alright. We have the spray bottle right here. Just adding some makeup to kind of define that part in. How cute! Guys, this was one of the easiest wigs that I've ever done. It is so easy. I use a blow dryer to kind of help with drying process. It's still a little bit wet, but I don't want it too puffy. So it's good enough. It's not dripping. It's good enough to wear. It is beautiful all the way around. I love it. I'm just kind of cutting off the longer pieces that didn't shrink because we want it to be shrinked up. Look at that. It is completely glueless. Like, yeah. You can go in. Let's do the test. You can go in with your tail comb. You guys see that? Completely glueless. So yeah, that's what it is. All I'm gonna do is add a little bit of makeup on the outside of the lace. So that's blend in with my skin. All right, there we have it. It's very cute, simple. Thank you to Julia's hair. The wig is amazing. It is in 20 inches. All the link will be in my description, guys. You guys can check it out. Look at this. Alright guys, make sure you guys check it out. Thanks for watching. Glueless Kinky Curly 20 inches 7x5 lace. Perfect. Okay, thank you. I love it. I love this. Really your vibe, okay? Work vibe, summer vibe, you know, fall vibe too, but I like it. Let's get into the cute part. Come here.
30, baby, won't you meet me by the beam? Too early, maybe later you could show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit Windy City. Get on the sea. No, 30 degrees, way too cold, so hold me tight. Will I see you at the show tonight? Will I see you at the show tonight?
Hey, truck to the plane, to the truck to the hotel lobby. Me, I go through underground.